Ready to launch your academic journey in the heart of Hull? Welcome to University Quarter Hull, where student dreams soar high. Experience modern living like never before in these stunning apartments, offering a variety of options like non-suites, en-suites, and studio rooms. Sink into cozy beds that melt your stress away and tackle your studies at your very own desk and chair. But that's just the start. Enjoy a vibrant social calendar packed with events, pick fresh ingredients from the community herb garden, and spark conversations at the dedicated kiosk. Plus, stay healthy with a range of food options designed to keep you fueled and fit. Located just a short distance from the University of Hull and on-campus Hull University, you'll never have to worry about being late to class. After a long day of lectures, unwind with a refreshing tea at Bubble Tea. When it's time to relax, indulge in mouth-watering quick meals at McDonald's. For a Friday night buzz, head over to the Haworth Pub, and for all your essentials, the Tesco Express supermarket is just a short walk away. With Newland Park Avenue bus stop and Taylor Court bus stop nearby, getting around is a breeze. So why wait? Dive into the ultimate student adventure at University Quarter Hull. Book now at amberstudent.com.